Again, please don't forget to use the mic and introduce yourselves.
My name is Ethan. I live in
Luciana!
May I see your stop number? Please, parents, make sure po.
Nasa chest niya.
Nasa tres daw po yung stop number. Please, make sure po that the stop or the number is visible.
Full naman po, nasa harapan.
Okay, striking pose.
Pose na, pose, pose! Pose! Again! Laktan pa ako, Prince.
Alright. Wow.